In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Notion. If you're new to Notion or just want to tidy up your pages, highlighting is a quick way to call attention to key ideas, action items, or deadlines without cluttering your workspace. Start by navigating to the page where you want to add emphasis. Use your mouse to select the exact words or sentence you'd like to highlight. Click at the beginning of the phrase, drag to the end, and make sure only the text you care about is covered. As soon as your text is selected, a small formatting menu will pop up right above or near the selection. This is your shortcut to styling text without leaving the flow of your work. In that menu, find and click the A icon. This is Notion's text styling control. When you click it, you'll see options for text color and, importantly for this tutorial, background. Background is what Notion uses to create a highlight effect behind your text. Choose the color you want from the background section. As you hover over a color, you'll get a live preview so you can see exactly how it looks before committing. Click to apply, and your text is now highlighted. A few quick tips to make your highlights work harder for you. Pick colors with intention. For example, use a warm color like yellow or orange for must-read notes, and a cooler tone for context or references. Keep contrast in mind, especially if you use dark mode. Subtle shades are easier on the eyes for long reading sessions, while bolder shades are great for short, high-impact notes. If you change your mind, just repeat the same process. Click the A icon again, and choose a different background color or the default option to remove the highlight. Consistency matters across a page or workspace, so decide on a small set of colors and stick with them. This makes your notes faster to scan and more professional. That's all there is to it. Select your text with the mouse, click the A icon in the pop-up formatting menu, and choose your background color. It's simple, fast, and a great way to make your notes clearer and more actionable. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production, we read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.